Hi, I'm Mark from Nature's Quick Dry. I like to show you how to become an expert in carpet cleaning that's both healthy and dry in no time. Whether you're new or already in the industry relying on steam cleaning, either way, you'll benefit from adopting this low-cost, easy-to-learn system. Unlike methods that rely on large volumes of water and expensive and sometimes noisy equipment, where long hoses require leaving the customer's door open, with Nature's Quick Dry, everything you'll need rolls in easily, even up and down stairs. Our proven cleaning products are between 99 and 100% natural ingredients. They're odor-free and are totally free of all solvents, butyls, and other nasty stuff. Our unique vibration-based orbital technology will let you easily scrub away even the worst soil and stains. Our method is proven successful to remove carpet soil in every kind of situation. Homes, business offices, schools, theater lobbies, and even restaurants, where everything on the menu hits the floor at one time or another. With Nature's Quick Dry, you'll soon develop a happy and loyal customer base. They'll tell their friends, next time, do what I do. Call Nature's Quick Dry. So clean, so green, and dry in no time.